Collect all the ingredients. First, heat the Desi ghee in a pan on medium flame. Add cumin seeds. Let them splutter and release their aroma. Now add ginger garlic paste. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes until the raw smell disappears. Next, add finely chopped onions. Saute them well until they turn golden brown. This step gives a rich flavor to the curry, so take your time here. Now add tomato and green chili puree. Cook until the masala becomes thick and oil starts separating. Lower the flame and add turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder. Mix everything well and cook for a minute. Add whisked yogurt slowly while stirring continuously. Cook until the masala becomes smooth and well combined. Now it's time to add the chicken pieces. Mix well so the chicken is nicely coated with the masala. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken changes color. Add water as needed for the gravy. Cover the pan and let it cook on low flame until the chicken becomes soft and tender. Finally, sprinkle garam masala and give it a gentle mix. Cook for another 2 minutes. Turn off the flame and garnish with dried fenugreek leaves, kasuri methi. Our tasty homemade chicken curry is ready to serve. Serve it hot with rice, roti, or naan.